everybody. Welcome to Maui Karen Ann. Hope you're having a great day. I want to say mahalo to all my subscribers and thank you for watching, and then also a great big thank you for making comments. Today I'm doing a charcuterie board. As you can see, I've got it out. I'm doing the process that I did with Cheryl, and Cheryl's not here, so this is my first attempt by myself. So I want you to know that these are the kinds of gloves you should be using with resin, and these are really good sanitizing wipes to use. And then once you're done, if you have resin on your hands, make sure you use this product, Gojo Natural Orange, to wash your hands with, because this takes the resin right off, and the resin doesn't soak into your system, where if you use rubbing alcohol on your hands to take it off, it will seep into your skin, the resin. So we're trying to be safe here. What I've done is I've already mixed up some resin, and I'm going to do a charcuterie board for a Bronco fan. Now I'm in Colorado, so you know, the Broncos. So what I've done is I've already sanded this, wiped it off with rubbing alcohol to take off any of the dirt or grime or sand that's on it. My resin is filled in these little cups. I put a ½ ounce in each cup. And I am using Artist Loft Metallic Blue, Artist Loft Metallic Orange, and then I'm using Artist Loft Titanium White. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit of the blue, a couple of drops, big drops, and then you just mix it up. Now these colors are probably going to be a little transparent. Let me see. You know, if you look on your tube, it's supposed to say what they are. This is not transparent, so I'm doing good. And how you tell, I'll show you as soon as I get this mixed up a little bit. But see, you just want to mix this up. That's a pretty blue. I don't think I want it darker. I think that's good. Okay, so on the back or on the side of your bottle, right here, I can point it out, right here there's a little black square. That means that it's not transparent. So if this was just a square, an outline of a square, that means it's transparent. So, and look at this one. This one is semi. So the little square is half dark and half white. Just so you know, just in case. So, let's do some orange, metallic orange. Okay, let's do one more glob. I think that's about the same that I used in the blue. We'll mix this up. I'm really nervous about this because I haven't done this by myself. And I don't know if I know what I'm doing. I might not know what I'm doing. If it doesn't turn out, I will just quickly put the charcuterie board over, over the trash can. I'm laughing because I can see myself doing this. Over the trash can and take paper towels, wipe it off, and then finish it up probably with the paper towel moistened with rubbing alcohol. So, okay, here's the white. I don't think I had quite ½ ounce of whites. I mean of this, okay. So I think that's all I'm going to do is one great big kind of glob, because I don't have. So here we go. Is this exciting? I'm so nervous. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know if I should have prepped my board better. Should I put resin on my board before I even started? Are these guys going to join and be muddy? Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to start with blue. And I'm just going to pour it on and around. Oh my goodness. Am I going to have enough? Oh, I may not have enough stuff. Oh my gosh. Well, don't know till you try, right? And this is an adventure. And so I don't want to go past this. That's why I've got that there. So, what do you think is going to happen? I don't know. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Now is that too much orange? I don't know. And I want just a little dab of white. A little dab will do ya? I think that's more than enough. Maybe some up here. Okay, now I'm going to take my heat gun and see if I can move this. Oh dear, see what I did? I didn't even see me do it. So I'm taking one of these little sanitizing wipes and just wipe, see that just wipes it right off. Really neat. So, okay, let's see what I can do. Oh, I think that came out kind of pretty. I kind of like that.
Oh yeah, looks good.
Yeah, I think I'm done. Look, I think it came out okay. Look, and it's still moving. So I could tilt this and move it and get another more design, but you know, I don't want it to be too messy. So I'm thinking probably stop while I'm ahead. Okay, I need to burst the bubbles because I can see all kinds of bubbles.
The sides too. Just got drips from it. Okay, I'm gonna go start your other video.
So I think I like this. I think I did okay. So let's see some more bubbles. It's really hard to see bubbles with this. The light's glaring and my old eyesight, and I have plenty of white left. Maybe hit it again with the heat. Nope, the dumb thing's not working again. Maybe if I just tilt it a little to get that white to spread out. What do you think? What do you think, folks? I wish I could hear you say stop or keep tilting or do this or do that. I need all the help I can get. So I appreciate all the help I get from you folks. See, this is going too far. I don't want that there. I'm going to wipe this off. I like the blue. Try not to lose the blue. There we go. So I hope this doesn't run anymore. Yes, I think that turned out really good. Now, the sides. Sides are looking kind of yucky. So, I'm just going to touch up the sides. So, thank you again for watching. While I touch these up, I do have to cover this. So I have this really neat little gizmo. As you can see, it's for picnics to cover your food. So what you do is you expand it like this, and when I get through, I'll cover it and let it set for 24 hours. And then it should be dry enough for me to take this tape off and the tape off the back, and we're all done. Yes, thank you so much. I hope you write a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you would like a charcuterie board done in any certain colors, let me know, because I will be more than happy to do it. And once again, I see there's some bubbles right here. Okay, thank you. Mahalo. Aloha. Aloha, everybody. This is Maui Karen Ann again, showing you the dried charcuterie board that I've made for a Bronco fan. It turned out really nice. I hope you can kind of see the shine from the resin, but it turned out perfect. Thank you for watching. And if anyone is interested in having a charcuterie board made in certain colors or for a certain team, please send me an email at mauikarenan@gmail.com. Aloha!